Okay, now you're ready to package your parts to send to us. Things not to use: shredded paper. This does not help, makes it worse. And there's no protection in this. Things not to use: peanuts. These really don't help to protect your parts. Newspapers. Don't use newspapers. They don't help either. Things you can use is something like this, padded foams. You can wrap these in like this. You can also use bubbles. Wrap the seatbelts in bubbles like this. You can also use some foam pads. You can use them from other packages that you receive, so you can save these. These are really good.